Here are 5 amazing YouTube channel ideas without showing your face that you can start today. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we're going to look at some amazing YouTube channel ideas that you can 100% replicate. And the best part is you don't have to show your face to do some of those channels, because I know this is a huge request for a lot of people who wants to start out with YouTube. So a lot of those channels that I'm going to talk about do very well. I'm going to show you some of those figures, but the good thing is you don't have to show your face to do similar channels to those. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first channel we're going to look into, number 1, is tech channels. Tech channels do very well. They tend to attract a lot of attention. Their videos are usually they usually invoke a lot of curiosity. They catch the eye, they pique a lot of interest, and they've got a lot of products that a lot of time you didn't even know existed. Like crazy stuff that you can integrate into your car, like crazy pens, crazy rulers, all kinds of different gadgets that you most probably didn't think existed. And sometimes when you see them, it feels like you really want to go and buy those things. So this plays a huge role in attracting impulse buyers, and those videos tend to do very well if you incorporate affiliate marketing along with it. So in addition to making money from AdSense, you could also have affiliate links promoting those kinds of products, and this would be an additional income to you. So there are different channels who do stuff like that. You have this channel called Tech with over 360 subscribers. There's another one called Quantum Tech HD with over 10 million subscribers. So they've been around for quite some time. They post all those crazy different kinds of gadget videos or inventive videos, amazing powerful machines, camping inventions, DIY car upgrades that you most probably never heard of, new bike inventions. So those videos really attract a lot of people to watch them, because you see things that as I've said, they make you want to buy those stuff, and a lot of time you end up discovering new tools and new gadgets that you didn't even know existed. So if we open one of those videos and we look at some of the numbers, you will see that this video here from Tech, over 63,000 views. It was posted a few days ago, like yesterday actually, from the day I'm shooting this video. And as you can see, they get over 193,000 views per day. That's almost 200,000 views per day. And I'm not sure exactly what is the CPM for tech videos, tech channels. CPM is how much money is generated per 1,000 views, and RPM is how much you would make as the creator of those videos. Most probably, tech videos, I guess, get between $3 to $4 per 1,000 views. But just to be on the very conservative, let's just say they make $2 per 1,000 views. And as you can see, they are earning over almost 200,000 views per day, which means that if they were getting paid $2 per 1,000 views, they are most probably making at least $400 per day simply by posting gadget videos. And a lot of videos, they are not creating those videos themselves. They are just taking those videos from other websites, either from the creator of those products themselves, their sales page, maybe from Amazon pages. And a lot of those creators of those products don't mind that you take their videos, because you're basically offering free promotions for them. So it's very unlikely that they will get any copyright issues by re-uploading those kind of videos. So this is a really cool channel idea to start if you want to go into this one. Number 2 on the list is unboxing videos. Unboxing videos do very well because they allow the viewers to somehow experience the thrill of opening a new product for the first time, even though you as the viewer, you're not actually buying the product. But it's kind of great to see what it feels like. You get the feeling of opening the product for the first time. And also a lot of time you might be on the verge of buying those products, so you get and a taste of what it's going to be like if you do buy those products and you open it for the first time. So it does provide a different kind of experience and feeling, which is what makes those videos really interesting. And there aren't a lot of channels doing this, but there are a few channels out there that do those unboxing videos. And as you can see, they don't show their face, they just film themselves opening those boxes and those new products that they've bought. So this channel here has the relaxing end, 8 million subscribers. And as you can see, they do get a decent amount of views on all their videos. I mean, this guy is most probably making a few $100s per day with his videos. There's another one here called Dr. Dbox with 600,000 subscribers. Also a lot of unboxing videos, as it looks like, a lot of techie products. But those videos are very easy to create, and they don't require you to show your face, as I just showed you. And this is really great channel to start if you want to get into this one. So number 3 on the list are gaming channels. I know gaming channels can seem like really saturated and very competitive, but what you need to understand is that it's always evolving. There's always new games coming out. And I think I saw like it starts to say like the gaming industry is actually bigger than the movie industry. So there's a lot of money flowing into that industry every year. And as I've said, there's always new games coming out every year or every few years. Like even Fortnite, who's taken the whole world by storm, didn't even exist like 6-7 years ago, and now everybody's playing it. You hear it all the time. The way I like to look at it is if a niche is competitive, some people will not want to get into it because it will require some work. But the way I like to look at it is if something is competitive, it means that there's a lot of money into it, and that's why it's competitive. So if you can find ways to really break into that market, you can make a lot of money from it. And gaming niche is a really good one. As you can see, this channel here with 6 million subscribers, they basically post videos of them playing different kinds of games. There's another one here called Home of Games with 4 million subscribers, and all they do is really post videos of them playing those different games, right? And the big secret with a lot of those gaming channels is really, in order to have success with them, is really how you title your videos and how you present them. A lot of people, they try to start a new gaming channels and they just upload videos of them playing the game, maybe Grand Theft Auto Episode 4, Grand Theft Auto Episode 5, and people are not going to click on those videos and watch it because there's nothing really interesting to watch from those kind of videos. So really the big secret to having success with those gaming channels is how you title your videos. For example, if you check this channel, Home of Games, you'll see that they have videos where they title it like 10 Fortnite Chapter 3 Myth Busted, 11 Secrets Everyone Missed in Tilted Towers, or 7 Fortnite Chapter 3 Myth, 7 Fortnite Chapter 3 myth that 100% work. Somebody sees that and be like, what are those 3 myths that people think works? I want to know that. So it's really how you title your videos and how you shoot your content. So it's really the big secret to making success with those kind of channels. Number 4 on the list are tutorials videos. Tutorials do very well on YouTube. People don't use YouTube just for entertainment anymore. People come on YouTube to learn stuff. YouTube is like a big learning school. So everybody is on YouTube always trying to start something and learn something. So if you start like a tutorial channel, you can generate a ton of views doing that, because you need to understand that YouTube is not just a video sharing website, it's also a search engine. People go on YouTube and type things that they want to learn, right? How to lose weight, how to draw, how to do this, how to do that. So for example, if you check those channels here, Learn with Seb, with almost 80,000 subscribers, they post different kinds of tutorial videos, like 7 Canva templates you need to grow your Instagram, how to draw in Canva, best background remover website, 20 Canva video tips. So there are different things that you can teach your audience, how to download Facebook videos in 2022, how to turn off autoplay on YouTube home screen. So those kind of videos will work really well. The big secret to having success with them is to really create videos that people are actively searching for, which is something that I do myself on my channel. So this is how you're going to have success with those kind of niche. You want to create videos that people are actively looking for, because as I've just said, YouTube is not just a video sharing website, it is a search engine. It's the second biggest search engine after Google. So the big trick is to really go on YouTube on the search bar and type in your niche and type what people might be looking for, and then you can get an idea of what type of content you should create for your YouTube channel. So this is how you should get started with this kind of niche. Number 5 on the list are fact channels. A lot of those channels do very well because you end up learning things that you most probably didn't know. A lot of those facts are stuff that will blow your mind, things that you will find extremely surprising. So that's why those videos tend to do very well, especially if you have something to share that and that can go viral. So that's why a lot of those channels do very well, because you end up learning new things that you didn't know existed or you didn't know was true. Now, are those facts real? I don't know. I've never really looked into them, but they seem to work really well, and a lot of those videos are very easy to create. Of all the channels I talked about already in this video, this is most probably the one that's easiest to do. As you can see, all they just post like images of different facts that exist, and I can tell you right now that they are not really creating those pictures themselves. A lot of time they're just grabbing those pictures on Google or from other websites, but as you can see, they are very easy to create, and they do get a ton of views as well. There you go, guys. That's all for this video. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you want me to make more videos of channels where you don't have to show your face, comment below and I'll make sure to do that in the near future. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.